Hello, everyone. Welcome to Clara Daily English. Let's learn and practice together.
Wow, a ginger kitten. Yes, a ginger kitten. She is very beautiful. So beautiful.
Thank you for the kitten.
You are welcome.
Listen, I have the secret food.
A secret food?
Let's go home now. Yes, let's go home.
This tree is so big.
Yes, very big.
Come out, little kitten. Come out, please.
She is out. Yes, she is out. She is so soft. Very soft and sweet. This is a safe place. Yes, a safe place. Look, a butterfly. A small butterfly. She is so brave.
Very brave.
It is flying high. Yes, flying high. Ah! Oh no, a loud sound.
Do not be scared.
She is climbing up.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Wait, come back here. Wait, come back here. She is too high.
Too high in the tree.
She is stuck up there. Yes, she is stuck. I am so scared.
She is crying. Crying?
Oh no.
I cannot reach her.
No, you cannot reach.
Do not be scared. I am scared, Mom.
We are a little lost.
Yes, we need a plan.
We must think fast. Think fast, yes. First, she saw a bug. Now, she is stuck. She is stuck, but safe. Safe up there? Do you hear that sound? A sound? Yes. I see our neighbor.
Our neighbor?
He can help us. Can he help? I will be brave. Excuse me, sir.
Oh, hello there.
How can I help you?
Help us, please. Our new cat is stuck. see the kitten.
She is scared.
Do you have a ladder?
A wooden ladder?
Yes.
I have a long ladder.
Ha ha! Thank you so much. He is getting the ladder.
Yes, a long ladder.
He has the ladder. The wooden ladder, yes. He is coming now. Yes, he is coming.
Please come in, sir.
Thank you very much.
The ladder is here. Yes, the ladder is here.
Let's work together safely.
Yes, work together safely.
Is the ladder tall enough?
Yes, it is tall.
The ladder is secure.
Very secure and safe. It is ready now.
Ready and very safe. She is hiding now.
Why is she hiding?
I have a secret idea.
A secret idea, Clara?
The food will help.
Food will help her? What is your plan?
Watch the magic bag. I hear the sound.
Yes, a loud sound.
She hears the food. She hears the food. She hears it, yes.
Come here, little kitten. Come down for food. She is moving now.
Yes, moving very slowly.
Look at the ladder. She sees the ladder. She is climbing down. Climbing down, very brave.
I will catch you.
You will catch her.
She is almost here. Almost here, yes.
I have her now.
You have her. She is doing great. Doing great, yes.
She is safe now. Yes, completely safe.
Thank you for helping.
Helping is a joy.
Mia was very brave.
Very brave.
Very brave, yes. Goodbye, my young friends.
Goodbye, sir.
Take a deep breath. A deep breath, okay?
Hold her gently, Leo.
I will hold her gently. You are a good cat. We solved the problem. Yes, we solved it.
Let's sit down together.
Sit down together.
Okay.
First, she chased a bug. She chased it fast.
Then, she was stuck high,
Stuck and very scared.
but we got her down.
Next, I found our neighbor.
You found him, yes.
Finally, the food helped her. The food helped her down.
Never climb high trees alone.
Never climb alone, got it. Always ask an adult. Ask an adult for help. She is kissing my hand.
We are a great team. A very great team.
I love our peaceful yard.
Yes, a peaceful yard.
Let's tell the story again. Tell the story? Yes. First, the kitten ran fast. Ran very fast, yes.
She was scared of a bug. A yellow bug, yes.
Then she climbed the tall tree. Climbed the tall tree. We could not reach her.
No, we could not.
Next, I found our neighbor. You found him, yes.
He brought a strong wooden ladder.
A strong ladder, yes. And I used the secret food. The secret food, wow. Now, the kitten is completely safe.
Completely safe, yes.
We learned a good lesson today. A very good lesson.
The sun is going down slowly. Going down?
Yes, very beautiful.
Listen, she is crying again.
Crying again? Why?
She's really sad.
Don't worry, we'll help her.
She is not scared. She is thirsty. Thirsty for water?
We must find her blue bowl.
Find the blue bowl. I will look for the bowl. Look for it? I will help. I cannot find the blue bowl. Cannot find it? Keep looking.
The bowl is not in here.
Oh, not in the box?
Only a toy and a brush. Only a toy? This is a mystery.
Where is the secret blue bowl? Where is it? We feel lost. Look, I see the blue bowl. You see the bowl? Great! I have the blue bowl. The blue bowl. Great. She wants water now. Water now, yes.
I will get clean water.
Clean water, thank you. The water is cold.
Cold water is good.
Here is your water. Water for the kitten. She is drinking now. Yes, she is drinking.
She feels much better.
Much better, yes.
I am very proud. Proud of our team. She is finished drinking. Finished drinking, very good.
Breathe in the quiet air.
Oh, yeah?
The quiet air is nice.
Look at this mouse. A toy mouse, wow. Catch the mouse, little cat. Catch it if you can.
She caught the toy.
Caught the toy, yes.
Run, little kitten, run! She is very fast.
They are very good kids. Very good and smart.
Remember our important rule.
Ask an adult for help. I will never climb high. Never climb high, good girl. She is sleeping now. Sleeping now? So cute. Everything is perfect here.
Yes, everything is perfect.
I love our sweet family. I love our family too.
Today was a big adventure. A big adventure, yes.
The wooden ladder was our secret. Our secret, yes. We are safe now. Yes, we are safe. Listen to the quiet wind. The quiet wind is nice.
The yard is very beautiful.
Very beautiful, yes. She is a happy cat. A happy cat, yes. Always remember our safety rule. Remember the rule, I promise.
That's my good boy.
Thanks, Arthur. I feel very proud today. We are proud of you. It is a wonderful evening.
A wonderful evening, indeed.
Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey.
Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.